In today's video, I am going to show you how to make all TikTok videos private at once. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to make all your videos on TikTok private, then what you have to do is to open the TikTok application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on report a problem. Then tap on account and profile. Click on profile page, then scroll down and click on other. Scroll down one more time and click on this need more help option. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you want to private all your videos on TikTok at once. Personally, I would suggest that you just copy paste the paragraph that I have given in description below. Once you have done that, tap on submit. And after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, all your TikTok videos will be private. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.